Hi everybody, my name's John. I'm going to show you how to make some music using a brilliant program called Soundtrap. You can access this on any computer at school or at home, or if you're using a tablet or a phone, you can get a free app from Google Play or the Apple Store. Listen to that beat. Count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. We'll come back to that later. But for now, you're probably just wondering, how do I get onto Soundtrap? How do I get started? Well, let me show you. Open up a web browser and go up to the top and type in soundtrap.com. You don't need to search for it, you just go straight to the top and type soundtrap.com. When you get to a page that looks like this, press login up at the top right. If it's not worked for you, try using Chrome as your web browser. That's a little circle with different colours in it. You can download it for free if you don't have it. In here, you need to put in your full email address. It starts the same as what you would use to log in with at school. So it's GW, then your number, and then your name. But you need to put the bit at the end, otherwise it won't work. Yours might be @glow.sch.uk, or it might be like mine, which is @ea.dumgal.sch.uk. Your password should have been sent to you with this video. If not, ask your teacher, or you can try typing your school name followed by the number 21, to represent the year that we're in, of course. Make sure you put a capital letter at the start of the school name though. Okay, you ready? Hit login. Alright, we're now in Soundtrap. This is where your projects will appear once you've got something saved. You hit the studio button to access them. Look up to the right though, you've got a message. Press on the little envelope to see it. Look, it's from me. I've sent you a link. Please click on that and it will take you to a blank project which you can use for making your first tune. Great. Now you've got this far, please start the second video to find out how to actually use the program. But before you go, I thought you might like to know, the tune that's been playing in the background is one I made myself using Soundtrap. Let's take a quick look at it. It doesn't have a name yet, so if you've got any suggestions or any questions about the tune in general, please feel free to get in touch. I'll show you how to in one of the other videos. Okay, I'll speak to you soon. Bye!